i-girlfriend allowance ibalulekile kakhulu phela lokhu uthandwa phandle kwemali. Yeah. Awukwazi vele uthi angithanda phandle kwemali. Imali ihamba phambili, uthando luphushwa imali. Yabo?
It depends. If like go to Moscow strating, osana next, osa hapand, osa hustle, like girlfriend allowance, nah, it's not a must for me to give you because of now and I'm grind the offer. But when it comes to like go totally stable, so I gotta maintain that lifestyle. So yeah, it's like that, my friend. Yes, it doesn't matter if you have kids or not. It's just to maintain the relationship for once or like as a man, you can on top. Because like as a man, if you do your part like on Pandel and all, she has to play her part also. Yes.
I believe ekutheni if nikwi relationship no two mele ni receive. Umjisa athole na uthole. So ibalulekile if ekunikeza kube 50-50 asiphane so yi2. Awangibhejeli mina ngakubhejeli asiphane so let's go ama eyelashes khanda give cute nawe ube cute ushaye buff and shine like siphane.
Yeah, they have to. It depends of your heart whether you like that boy or not. If that lady, whether maybe for in case I'll say it as a guy chirele ka khona sponsor and kill utla go butla lemba ha ba knowledge ya o revele ke nako ya go le nna ke khona mo sponsor o dependa ka gore basadi ba jwang o itshwere jwang o behave jwang a o thieo ke mang ke motho jwang one thought. So if this lady sponsor you more than a guy o tlo tseba gore chire ya rata outing even though asna next mo pokothong tlhaloganya hae mo kae e go ring o rata outing. It's not about or outing tlamila mo sponsor or not. It's just like the guy the way he is.
Ishaya ngapha nangaphi 50-50 ne umuntu mangabe umthanda. So if boyfriend wakho uyamthanda ungamnceda lapho nalapho. If uguy naye futhi uyakuthanda engakunceda lapho nalapho. Kumele samantombazane sisukuma sizisebenzele like simbokodo mos yabo so nje kumele sihereze sabafazi sihereze singalindeli ukuleke ukuphiwa sibe okhamisa ngithele wena ubekana etafuleni yabona so singadlali ngengane zabafazi guys singadlali like nabo bazalwa abanye abafazi so nje singadlali ngengane zabantu akube yinika nje.
So honestly speaking, these are for me modern concepts. When we grew up, we never heard of such things. You know, probably they were there, but they were not called girlfriend allowances. Okay, so personally, as a family man, I don't subscribe to such allowances because I believe that if you are in a relationship, if you are taking care of each other, okay, it's fine. But if you are married, you should take care of your family. That's what I believe.
I-girlfriend allowance ibalulekile alukho uthando oluphilayo ongenamali. Ibalulekile nje mangekho imali lolo thando lulambile lufile alukho. Ngaphandle kwemali alukho uthando ngeke luze liqine. Liyayidinga nje imali kakhulu kabi.
I don't necessarily view things as a girlfriend allowance. I don't see that term existing in my vocabulary, you get what I mean? So I feel like as a man, if you're involved with a woman, you naturally have the instinct to take care of her, provide for her, solve her problems, do nice things for her, and, you know, just help her level up in life. So I don't believe in the term girlfriend allowance, you know, I don't know, I feel like, nah, that doesn't exist because your woman in my reasoning capacity, your woman is the closest thing in your radius. So by you being there for her, I think it's a natural masculine trait that, you know what I mean, you want to be there for her, you want to do nice things for her, you know, you don't want your woman to suffer, dog, you gotta hustle, bro. You don't want your, like, because here's the funny thing, dog. If your hand comes at you and she asks you, for example, for something, right, and you don't give it to her, naturally as a man, if she goes and asks for that same thing from another man, you're gonna get mad at her. I'm being honest. I'm sure you relate. You look like a straightforward man. Am I lying? I'm not, correct? So yeah, I don't believe in those things. I just feel, you got a woman, take care of her, you know, whatever comes in between the allowance, what, like, that generated, you know what I mean? So, yeah.